don't you think?
Well, you have to get a person.
Or is there like a duplicator that can just here duplicate, like a printed like?
Yeah, they are, but they're not on this range. Yeah, that's the commercial ones, and these are more expensive. Before you can knock this out in maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes. But of course, if the price goes up because it's something, it has a commercial advantage to it. But if it's a desktop thing like this, it's bound to be slow. Yeah. Of course, they have the ones that cost like $50,000 that can just knock out things like that straight away. Yeah.
And then I was going to ask, somebody has got in touch and they said they'd like to come in and print a prototype. Do you think that's okay?
It's possible. I mean, we're finally getting to that point where we can actually print something that falls within the parameters of this table.
Okay.
As long as what the person designed is simple to print.
Okay.
So you see that these machines, they like printing things that are smooth, and when it has things sticking out in all directions, it's difficult for it to.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say.
I get.
So it sounds like this. It's easier for it to print because it will print it from the base up and build it.
Okay.
But if this thing has something like this sitting out on the side, something hanging in the air,
it's going to be kind of difficult.
You can do it, but it takes a longer time, and it has to print it with a raft and supports and things like that. So it depends on what the person designs. If something simple, you can do it.
So the input now for each one now, how does it consume the raw materials?
The raw material is coming from that spool at the back.
Yeah. Oh, like this wire?
Yeah, it's melting it. It's melting it.
Oh, I see.
It's melting that. There's a black and a white. So it's
Oh, I see.
What is happening here is you have
Okay, so we're getting a demonstration.
yes. You have your heating element. This is your nozzle, like this. This is a heater. Then you have your spool coming like this, and there's a drive motor.
So basically that guides it into that.
And there's a hole here. So this drive motor is pulling it inside there. This heater there heats up the plastic and pushes it out from this nozzle here. So it's gradually, and this is coming from the spool at the back. So it's gradually pushing it like this, and it's coming out.
Okay.
So that's the principle at which it works.
Okay. Is there a way to tell it what color you want to print?
Oh well, you see, this is a dual. I think you can do 2 colors on the 2 nozzles.
Okay.
And based on your design, I think you have to instruct it to actually do 2 colors and what each color will do.
Oh, okay.
But as of now, we turned off one. We turned off one of the filaments. It's only using one to print, which is black. And there are also other colors. You have comes in green, red, yellow.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are there places in Nigeria right now where I can actually walk into a brick and mortar store and buy
the spool?
The spool.
Well, for now you have to buy it. You have to buy it from them. But these guys on Kickstarter, there's some guys on Kickstarter that came up with an idea where you take pieces of plastic, this recycled plastic, and you pass it through this machine, and it melts it, and it creates a spool for you. Yeah, so you can actually get this plastic from recycled plastic.
Okay.
But these guys are coming up with a machine, and it's not yet commercialized. They're hoping to get funding for it.
Okay.
So to make it easier for people to
get access to.
Yes, because now you have to order it from the company. And,
Okay.
it's a bit of it's expensive, and if you're in a country where you can easily get access, it's a problem.
Okay, so let's see how far we've gone in with our project. It's coming out really nicely. So it looks like we're going to take a short break and then we're going to come back and then see a little more about this.